The CPVAN Wi-Fi Alarm System Kit is a comprehensive home security solution that includes one motion sensor alarm, 6 door and window sensors, and 2 remote controls, providing robust protection for your home. This system is designed to alert you immediately by emitting a 120 decibel alarm and sending push notifications to your smartphone whenever motion is detected or a door or window sensor is triggered. The user-friendly design allows for an easy do-it-yourself installation, with the alarm station requiring a connection to an AC adapter and including a backup battery lasting up to 8 hours for emergencies. Even in the event of a power or Wi-Fi outage, the system remains operational on backup battery, ensuring that your home stays protected by emitting a loud alarm if motion is detected or entry points are breached. With the CPVAN Wi-Fi alarm system, there are no monthly fees, allowing you to arm and disarm the system via the Smart Life app or using the included remotes without any additional costs. The product comes with a generous 60-day money-back guarantee, a 3-year manufacturer warranty, and lifetime customer support, offering peace of mind and excellent customer service.